All right, you guys, what's up? What's up? Getting ready to make this corn. Give me the butter, please. I have non-sticking aluminum foil. I never grill corn, so yes, this is gonna be my first time. Give me the corn, pumpkin.
Corn?
Yeah, so
Butter?
butter.
Oh, butter.
So
Butter?
yes, I'm gonna do it like this. Got the corn already seasoned. I put a little bit. Come in. I'm gonna put a little bit of salt and pepper on it. What's up?
Hey, we just need some lighter. I need some lighter fluid.
The light again?
Yeah.
I ain't got no lighter fluid. I ain't used lighter fluid.
Oh, how'd you light it up?
It's ready to light. Is all the chalk burned out?
Almost.
Just tell him to sit it on there
All right.
and let it go. And then when he go to Walmart, he just have to buy some more.
All right.
So yeah, we're making corn. I'm gonna base it down with butter, like that.
Mommy,
You know, I don't know about making
if you don't
corn.
eat your hot dog and the inside meat, you go to jail.
So yeah,
It's spicy.
yeah, we just putting it like this. Get off the arm on my couch. So yeah, now I'm just basing it down.
Mom, the real just opened the pool, and they still there.
It's okay. And I'm just making the corn. Y'all get bug out. You want something to eat? Huh? What's wrong? You want something to drink? Soda? Tell you to get some soda and pour it in a cup. A big cup. Get honey out real quick. Check out.
Oh, we can get it.
Mommy, my clock is in there.
Your what?
My clock.
Okay. Give me a paper towel. Get a cup. So yeah, now I have already basted it down.
Oh, you want a paper towel? Like you saying, give her a towel, wipe the cup.
Mommy, it's not fall.
All right, you guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Please give me some soda so I can post some soda, please.
What do you want? Coke or?
Just post some Coke, please. All right, you guys. Right now I'm doing the corn. Put the shirt on for right now. Go find deodorant. So now I'm just gonna wrap it. Okay, honey. So I really don't put corn. I maybe got a little bit too much oil. Put that in the freezer so it could be. Tasia, please get that to him. Tasha, get that to him, please. And see if he wants something to eat. So this is the corn, y'all. Alright, so now I'm just wrapping this corn up. I'm not doing too much. Please go for that, please. Pick that up. It was so sweet. My dad to call back and say, make sure I put butter on it. I'm really pissed off with my dad, so I don't want to be disrespectful to him. I love my daddy. He's my everything. I was blocked. That's why I blocked him.
He was blocked.
Tasia. Only reason I blocked him is because I was blocked.
Oh, so you blocked him back.
Yeah, I blocked him back.
Oh.
Because his wife had me blocked. Because I tried to call him and talk to him. Because I always been able to call my daddy when I get this upset. I'll do it. Sit right there. I always been able to talk to him. Sit right there. The fire gone.
Yes, look.
It just turned off and I'll go down there and catch it.
Okay.
And then when you come back, I'll get you right.
Sorry, back. I don't think you're blocked still.
I'm not blocked probably no more, but I was blocked.
That's what I say.
That's why I blocked him. And honey, you got granddaddy phone number?
No, no.
You can call your granddaddy. You know that, right?
Yes, ma'am. I don't know.
All right, Tia, just give it to you and put it in your phone.
And I'm gonna find it because somebody stole it from that side of the couch. And I wonder who.
So y'all, this is how we make corn. I'll show y'all what it looked like after. Thank you for liking, commenting, and subscribing to our YouTube channel. We will not be blogging tomorrow. We will be taking the day off. Thank you to the troops who served this country. Thank you for the people who fought for this country. Thank y'all so much. We could not have did it without y'all. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. What time it is?
It's 9:27.
Oh, have Mega got off yet?
Mega.
Let me see if she can bring me a long pen.